Facebook just released a massive update that could completely kill your Facebook ad performance. So in today's video, I'm gonna cover what this massive update is, how it could potentially affect your ad account, and what I think is the best strategy moving forward if your Facebook ad account is affected. Okay, so what is going on? Well, it all started about 2 weeks ago when Mark Zuckerberg made the announcement that Meta wants to get back to their roots and wants to do away with the level of censorship that they've had on their platform over the last few years. And honestly, from what I understand of it, he was really inspired by what Elon is doing with X, and he wants to give people free speech. Now, as an advertiser, I think this is great. I think more people should have the ability to speak their mind and show their interests freely without any censorship. And that just allows more data on the platform, which means more conversions, or so I thought. You see, even though Meta is being more loose, you would say, with free speech on the more consumer side, on the business side, and on the Facebook ad manager side, they're actually getting more restrictive, which honestly for me makes no sense, okay? And so over the last few weeks, they've implemented more restrictions for the health and wealth niche. So essentially, if your business falls into that category, you no longer can use bottom of the funnel actions events. So add to carts and purchases will be removed from your business account. So if you're in the health and wellness industry and you're running ads, my heart really goes out to you because your ad account performance is pretty much gonna be terrible virtually overnight. Now, they haven't said when this rollout is gonna happen. Typically, Meta's rollouts for these type of updates takes time and it doesn't hit everybody's ad account all at once. Now, I will say they're not gonna completely turn off your ads if you're already running them, but eventually your ads are gonna start performing very, very terribly, okay? And I'm gonna put on the screen all the different type of businesses that fall into this niche. Now, I know what you may be thinking. Okay, I'm not in the health and wellness niche. I should be fine, but I'm here to tell you, you still have an issue too. So here's a problem I think that we could all face, even if we're not in the wellness or health industry, and it all comes down to Facebook's monitoring system. Honestly, I think it's pretty trash. It's terrible in my honest opinion, and it's something that they really need to work on. And it's something that Mark even alluded to in his Instagram post. He pretty much said, even if they flag just 1% of accounts, it ends up affecting millions of people. So as they get more restrictive with what industry can be running Facebook ads, more and more people will be mistakenly banned. Your ads may not run because it's being flagged. And if you're a big brand, you'll be fine because you can have Meta reps help you out. But if you're a small business owner and this happens too many times, your account can be banned, and you know how terrible Meta's customer service is. So this can be a lose-lose situation for all of us, even if we're not in the health and wellness niche. And then on top of that, where does this end? How many other industries will be banned in the future just because it doesn't align with what they want on their platform, even though Mark just said they want to get back to free speech. So it definitely doesn't feel like their Facebook ad manager, their Facebook ad platform is in alignment with what they're doing on the regular organic side. But I want to know your opinion on this and how you feel about it. Okay, so now I want to share with you the best Facebook ad strategies I think you should be using moving forward if you're in the health and wellness niche. So the first strategy I think that you should be using is trying to collect emails. And you can honestly still be profitable with your Facebook ads, just collecting emails and trying to sell through your email list. Now, you can do this through a video sales letter or giving away a free freebie. The list goes on, but this can still be a very profitable strategy. Okay. Now, the second strategy is just to use Facebook for brand awareness or link clicks or traffic campaigns, and then use that data to sell people through another platform. So you can try to get people to your landing page and then try to retarget them through Google ads, or try to retarget them through TikTok ads, or just completely cut Facebook ads entirely and only run Google ads and TikTok ads. The choice is yours, but it definitely sucks to be in your position, and my heart definitely goes out to you. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you still plan on running Facebook ads if you're in the health or wellness niche? I would love to hear from you. And if you got value out of this video, make sure that you like and subscribe.